Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I stopped by my local Dollar Tree and they have so much more Halloween goodies out. So, I had to take advantage. I was a little out of control there for a moment. I saw these glass laboratory flasks on Dollar Tree Haul and I've been wanting them ever since. But look at this. Aren't they so cute? They're just so adorable. Get the little stopper. This is so adorable. So this one here is about 3 inches and about 1 1/4 on the bottom. Approximate size. Look at this. So this is the small one here, and then this is a larger one. Look at that. So the larger one is going to fall about 3 1/4 and about 1 1/2 an inch on the bottom. I only have one store in my area that has these flasks out, so which is why everybody's wanting them. So I do need one more package of the large ones, and I do have 3 packages of the small ones, and then you get 2 flasks per package. So when you go to your store, just pay attention to that. Last year I was hesitant to pick up fabric. So I kind of missed out on some of them. So this year I'm grabbing those. Now these look like repeats from last year. There are some that are a little bit different in the color, like the one with the black cat. I believe it has a different background. But look at this. These are, let me see, I have a size here. They're 18 by 21 inches. So here we go. Look at this. I picked up 3 in this pattern here. I was thinking that I might make a tree skirt with this one. And you can even make like a journal cover with these. So many options. And then I picked up 3 of the candy corns. So last year I was hesitant to pick up these candy corn fabrics, so I missed out. So I didn't have the quantity I wanted. So this year I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm grabbing them. But look at this. I might also do a tree skirt with this one. And then how cute would that look like with the a little ruffle on the edging, right? How cute. Adorable. I like them. I saw some projects on Pinterest and on Facebook, like the Facebook craft groups, and I want to try one of them. So I got those. And then this pattern here, I picked out 5. I was also thinking that I might make a shopping bag with this one too. But look at this. I mean, it's large enough to where I may be able to do like a small apron too. But look at this, I might have to do a little patchworking, but hey, it's Halloween, right? How cute would that look hanging in the kitchen, right? And then you can also use this as like a journal cover. That'll be awesome. Or you can make a shopping bag. One of those is what I will do with this fabric here. I really like this one. I like this, all the spider webbing and the huge spiders on here, they get the flask and the bats. Awesome. Oh, and look at this. It's got feathers in the background. Isn't that neat? I like that. And of course there's script too. Amazing. Yeah, I got those. I found another sheet of the Halloween letter with the wording, like the Boo and Ghost Happy Halloween one. So I picked up one more of these. When I went back to pick up the other one, I grabbed these, and I think this would look really good as a journal cover, right? Like if you do an edging on there, kind of block that print in, it'll look awesome. I really like these Halloween leathers. So got those. And then I picked up 2 spools of ribbons. This is the velvet ribbon, and they are 2.5 inch wide by 1 yard. I wish they were a little longer. So I picked up 2, so I have 2 yards. I was thinking about using this on the candy corn fabric. See, I don't know. We'll see how it works out. I was thinking maybe I can use the ribbon as a ruffle around the edging, or let's see, what's the other fabric? Like this one also. If I decide to use this as the ruffle, I think it'll work out okay. I believe 2 yards is going to be plenty because I want to do a skirt for the little mini tree from Dollar Tree. So that'll be plenty. Now, if you're doing a larger skirt for like a larger tree, then you will need more than 2 yards of ribbon for sure. So that's just something to be aware of. I found these stickers. So I picked up 5, and this is what this looks like. They're cute. You get 15 pieces in here, and they're ghosts and cupcakes, eyeballs and jars, bats, candy cane, a coffin. Yeah, I like this. They're so cute. So I picked up those. I found these too. So I picked up 2 each. So when you go to your store and you happen to see these wooden puzzles, what they are mechanical 3D wooden puzzles. You have the bat and you have the crow. Isn't that awesome? I can't wait to put one together. It's going to be awesome. I don't want to open it yet because you get you see all the little pieces in there, so you don't want to lose that. Oh, I like this. I can't believe it. It was only $1.25. I believe Dollar Tree undercharged me for these. It's such a grand idea, right? I like it. And then it's all manual powered. Cause see, he got the little what do you call it? The turning knobs. I'm happy with those. While I was there, I picked up a couple of masks. This is a glow in the dark mask and skeleton face. And then I also found this one. This is of the, what do you call it? The ice hockey mask. And it's also glow in the dark because it's flexible and I can shape it like this. See, I need something that I can elongate for my dragon mask. So I think this will work really well. And then, well, this one is kind of stiff. So this one might not work, but I'll see. I'm thinking probably this one I'll be using. So I just needed that form. So I picked up 1 each. And then I also picked up 2 of these cloches. They're high dome cloche. And it is 5.7 by 3.6 inches. And I picked up 2. I need these 2 for a Halloween project. So I went ahead and picked those up. I can't wait for that project. I'm looking forward to doing more Halloween projects. And then, speaking of Halloween projects, I picked up these pumpkin clips. Dollar Tree has these candy corn pumpkins. And they're the big ones. You know how you get that large orange pumpkin? The styrofoam one. So you get them on a pick. but they're really large, and I want to make candy corn pumpkins for my tree, one of my little Halloween trees. So I want to transform these. And there are different ones available. You get one with more pumpkins in it, but my thing was I needed one that had the natural looking stems. Well, I mean, it's plastic, but you know what I mean. That it had stems. There are some the Dollar Tree's carrying that don't have stems at all. So, but I wanted that one, and I'm just going to remove the clips, maybe, or I might leave it on there. I don't know yet. But either way, it'll work out really well, right? Because then if I leave the clips on, I can take this and just hook it on the branch like that, right? So that is probably what I'll do. You know, I'll have to remove it to paint it, and then I can just put those back on. So I picked out 4 packages of these. Now, I believe they have like different sizes, and then with each size, you'll get a different quantity. Yeah, let's see, it doesn't have a size, but yeah, this one is going to be about 2 inches wide and about 1 1/4 inch of thickness. But I'm sure that all varies with each one, but that's why I picked these up. I have a tree in the front yard, a live one, and I like to decorate it. So last year I did candy corns, and this year I'm thinking I want to do candy corns again because it was so popular. So I'm going to test it on my little tree and see what it looks like. And if I really love it, I will make a larger pumpkin candy corns. I had fun at Dollar Tree, and I will continue to have fun as long as my Dollar Tree is bringing out more goodies for me to buy. Well, I hope that you find everything that you have on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. And don't forget, if you're buying the flask, pay attention to the sizes. And I hope that you find these mechanical wood puzzles. I believe it's a very good buy. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.